welcome to my channel. Love you guys. And this is a flip through of my trashy journal called Treasure, Trash to Treasure. Somebody said it in a video I was watching. I said that might be my title. I'm going with something along those lines. Treasure it is. I love this book. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy with it. And it's really thick and really big. So I'm going to keep the talking to a minimum and just maybe let you listen to the flips and the sounds of the pages and turning and all the lusciousness there is inside of this book. To qualify it as a journal, there is some marking in it, some writing, some little notes in here that I have made. So it qualifies as a journal. Anyway, let me just give you a little bit about the construction. I ended up with a 4-inch spine, and I decided after seeing some fun videos on just binding with string or with any kind of a type of fabric or elastic band, because I did my other one in elastic band, but I thought I would adopt that method, and that's how it is. And so nothing is sewn in. The signatures are not sewn in. There's 3 signatures. They started with only 5 pages each, total of 20 surfaces to work on. So that's why it ended up being so large, because once you add everything onto it, it just becomes chunky. And I reinforced the edges with a little washi tape that I reinforced that with some glue. And then I put a closure on it with eyelets and some leftover lace from my mother-in-law's curtains she was throwing away. So yay, this is my happy place. Okay, I'm going to get into it and just let you enjoy the sounds of all of the wonderful pages in this book. Okay, enjoy, and we'll talk at the end. Okay, friends, what do you think? Oh, I love it. I think it's amazing. And it was probably the most fun I've had all year creating. I made another one of these, but this one is by far more colorful, more fluffy. It's definitely bigger, mercy sakes. Like I said, 4 inches. I mean, I started out with a 2-inch, then I went 2 1/4, then I went 3, and now 4. I ended up with 4 inches. And I double cardboarded the spine because I wanted it to stay sturdy. Yeah. Well, what do you think? I hope you've enjoyed this series. I only did a few videos on what was going on the inside because there was some days when I just started working and I forgot to turn on the camera. And next thing you know, I've got finished things. So I took it one signature at a time, and I had it sewn. It wasn't sewn in, so it was easy to work on in any old time. And I just had everything laying out here, and I was pretty focused on this, on getting this done, because it was easy. It was fun. There was so many elements I could choose and pick from. It made it so easy. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and it's flipped through. And does it inspire you? Are you encouraged to do something like this? Would this fill your intrinsic value bucket? Wow, mine is overflowing because of this. So many happy create sessions during the creating of this book. So that's it for today. Love you guys. Thanks for coming on over to see what's happening in my craft room. And I hope you're figuring out what your intrinsic values are today. Maybe this gives you inspiration. Take care. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.